Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to play on community servers here in CS2. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up the game. Now once you're in here, just go to the top and click on play. Now in here, as you can see, under these tabs, matchmaking, practice, workshop maps, and here we have this community server browser icon. So just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now here we have this window. So what all you do is just go ahead and select a game right here and make sure that Counter-Strike 2 is selected. Make sure that you're under the internet tab as well. Now once that's done, just click on find. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's now loading the available servers for Counter-Strike 2. You can go ahead and filter this out by latency. This one's latency right here. Click on the drop down, maybe 50 or below, or even 100 and below. Okay, once done, just go ahead and find some available servers. And here, maybe enable server not full as well, and has users playing, or is not password protected. There you go. Wait for it. And maybe this one right here, we have the retake a nuke. Just hit on connect, click on it, make sure that is highlighted. Okay, as you can see here in the background, it's now loading, but unfortunately, it's full. So that's just basically how you do it. Select a specific server, then hit on connect, wait for it. If there are some download pop-ups, just go to click on allow, wait for it, and once it's done downloading, enjoy playing with the community server. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.